Hey there, welcome to another video. Today we're diving deep into a common problem that many tech enthusiasts might encounter. The problem at hand involves the need to simulate connect-disconnect of an app to an IP. Poor without being able to change firewall rules, and with the constraint of not disrupting the network interface of a remote machine, in this case, a Citrix VDI. Sounds tricky, right? In search of a solution, we explored the idea of using Netsh Portproxy to redirect a remote IP. Port to 127.0.0.1. Port with the belief that changing the local port could disrupt the connection. However, the solution is quite the opposite. Netsh Portproxy functions as a reverse proxy, listening on the designated codalist encode address. Port in connecting to the connectdisconnect code address. Port on the proxy client's behalf. This means that the proxy only kicks in when programs explicitly connect to the codalist encode address. Port. So attempting to disrupt the connection by modifying the ports won't have the desired effect. Now, when it comes to truly disrupting the connection using Netsh Portproxy, unfortunately, there is no direct way to achieve that. This means that altering the port configurations as attempted won't efficiently serve the purpose of simulating connect-disconnect of an app to an IP port. It's essential to understand the functionality and limitations of tools like Netsh Portproxy to use them effectively for network manipulation. To wrap it up, while Netsh Portproxy may not be the ideal solution for this specific problem, understanding its functionality can help us make more informed decisions when it comes to network management and manipulation. Thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips. Hit the like button if you found this video helpful, and drop a comment sharing your thoughts or any clever hacks you have up your sleeve. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the fascinating world of technology.